It was like any other winter morning. At 6, my alarm buzzed. It was still dark, and to make matters worse, it was snowing. I had an appointment at 9 a.m. at the salon, so I decided to take the train scheduled to depart at 7:07 instead of driving. I prefer not to drive in the snow. I lazily got out of bed, trying not to create a ruckus to awake the slumbering sleepers. That's David and Hannah. Dragged myself to the kitchen and started the coffee. I stared off into space, thinking how cold outside must be. I then hauled myself back up the stairs and hopped in the shower. I got everything done around 6:40. My coffee was in the warmer, 2 slices of pear in a Tupperware, my bag packed, jacket and boots on. I had time to spare. I sat at the table and then stared in the darkness for another few seconds. Then I remembered, oh, I didn't buy my train ticket. So I grabbed my phone and went onto the reputable SBB app. I selected my departure destination on the app, scrolled down to see if my connections were all correct, then scrolled back up to the top. I scrolled down again to make payment, but because I had time, I decided to look for special offers, some goodies, or even something free. So I scrolled a bit further down. That's when I saw day class upgrade, 52 francs. Mind you, my original ticket cost 42 francs. I never upgraded my train tickets. Second class is usually enough for me. But on this day, I misinterpreted the train capacity to be very high, so I thought, okay, it's just 10 francs more. I will upgrade my ticket to reduce the potential exposure to the big sea. So I headed out in the now dusky morning. Streets were filled with snow, but myself and other workers plunged our way ahead. I was freezing, but the thought of hopping on a warm train warmed me up, and even better, on first class. That made me smile. I have to take 4 trains to get to the salon in Zurich. The first one from my village is a very short trip. So the train pulled up, I hopped on and rushed to the front, feeling very accomplished as I rarely ever, if ever, ride first class wagons. The second leg of the trip is a bit longer, and so is the train. The train is also bigger, 2 stories high, and it carries about 8 to 10 carriages. Because my first train from my village ran a little bit behind schedule, I had to run to catch the second train. So I entered the train in second class, somewhere in the middle. So with no idea in which direction first class is, I intuitively headed towards the front of the train. Head high, nose up, passing the second class travelers. Today, I'm in the big league. I paid 10 francs extra and I got to the big league. The first class was empty, as expected, so I had options. I found myself a nice little nook and made myself comfortable. In first class are mostly business people, heading to Zurich airport to fly out for a meeting or to the city to attend a meeting. I was just there because I was afraid of the crowded wagon and the potential contraction of the big sea. And it was only 10 francs more, so why not? My excitement and comfort was to be short lived. Why? The ticket man came. Fahrtkarte bitte. I don't know about others, but I'm very proud to pop out my train ticket to show the conductor, even more so in first class. So that I did. Opened my SBB app, found my expensive first class ticket, stretched my phone to the conductor for him to control my ticket. He scanned it, then scanned my helped tax card, then said, Sie haben ein Upgrade für die erste Klasse und ein Halbtags. Aber wo ist Ihr Billett? I knew it was my German that is bad, and that this man did not just tell me I don't have a ticket, because duh, I bought my ticket this morning. I just showed it to him. So I drew his attention back to my SBB app because that's where my ticket is. He looked frustrated, like I wasn't the first passenger whose comprehension skills needed some cleaning up, because I totally didn't read something right while booking this ticket. After a few minutes of polite back and forth, of me trying to explain that I bought my second class ticket and upgraded it to first class, I figured out that while I did select my ticket, then select the day class upgrade, thinking that I was upgrading my second class ticket, actually what happened was the second option, day class upgrade, deactivated the first selection. Which does not mean I upgraded my second class ticket as I was led to believe. So yes, here I was, sitting in the people them first class train with an upgraded first class ticket without a train ticket. Luckily, the conductor was a cool guy and he switched to English, patiently explained to me, and allowed me to buy a train ticket on the SBB app. In the moment, I didn't find it funny. I was just going crazy thinking about the amount of money I have to spend on this one ticket. But afterwards, I had such a good laugh about this, and I thought I want to share it with my YouTube family. So in the end, I paid a total of 113 Swiss francs for a trip that would normally cost 42 Swiss francs. Am I mad? No, because I've learned many lessons from this, which I'm going to share with you right now. Lesson number 1, sometimes you have to laugh at yourself. Take no hard take of it, laugh, and then forget it. Lesson number 2, stay in your lane. I don't mean that. Step out of your lane. Try something different, try something new. The worst that can happen is you fail, and when you fail, you learn from it, and you can do it better next time. And last, but definitely not least, be careful when you book any ticket online, because remember, they're only computers. Bye for now, guys. And if you like my little story, drop it in the comment section and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. I would truly, truly appreciate it. You see that red subscribe? Hit that and then hit the notification bell for more videos. Okay, guys, until next time, bye.